check out the treads.
This is impressive.
129 horsepower out of R6, and it's stock.
600.
I mean, back in the day, we killed for this. Well,
took the scratchiness out of the tune.
yeah,
Feels really good. Up top, I think we gained some more power.
we did.
And good job.
Is it a significant difference?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Feels much better. And down low, there was scratchiness in the tune before. And now, cleaned up.
Well, it dynoed out this morning at 133 horsepower.
That is stout for
So
600.
does that feel like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like racetrack ready.
Race ready.
Yeah, with a
That's-
pipe, with
yeah.
a pipe and a frickin' tune.
Yeah.
That's just sick. How is it in first, second, third? Is it pulling the front wheel?
Second it is, third it's not.
With a just a pipe and a good BRG tune.
That's awesome.
Just awesome, huh?
Yeah, I mean, it's really...
Is it a little different?
Oh, it's a lot different.
Yeah.
I mean, now it just pulls like straight all the way through.
Stoked yesterday when I was done.
I can see why.
Yeah, the difference between, would you believe that's 133 horsepower?
Really? Wow. I mean, like I said, it feels dramatically from like, you know, like there's power throughout the whole band now, and it picks up like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels fantastic.
Well, there's not much in the map I didn't mess with.
Well, it's fantastic.
The
Yeah, I can tell now.
Yeah.
Because it's like, yeah, it felt, like I said, I can't even describe it. It's just like completely different.
awesome.
Yeah. Another satisfied customer, another satisfied bike, and it's awesome.
That's what I like.
Yeah,
That's what I like to
it's
hear.
fantastic stuff. Thank you,
deal.
sir. Yeah.
All right.
All right.